Formal nang pinangalanan ng House Prosecution Panel ang kanilang legal spokesperson na si Attorney Benjamin Tolosa Jr. sa pangalawang araw ng pre-trial conference kaugnay ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Yan ang ulat ni Sheila Natividad.
Ipinakilala na ng House Prosecution Panel si Attorney Benjamin Tolosa Jr., ang kanilang legal spokesperson para sa paglilitis ng impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Siya rin ang ika-11 private prosecutor na tutulong sa prosecution team.
As we all know, the impeachment is a pivotal constitutional proceeding. In fact, it's one of the most important accountability mechanisms for public officials under the Constitution. So as a trial lawyer, I found it to be a meaningful opportunity to place my experience in the service of that process.
Susunod na rin ang ikalawang batch ng private prosecutors. Dalawa na lang sa 4 na articles of impeachment ang nakasalang sa markings of exhibit and evidence ayon kina lead House Prosecutor Jervy Luistro. Kabilang dito ang alleged misuse of confidential funds at unexplained wealth ng Vice Presidente. Nais nila na matapos na ang marking ng ebidensya para mapabilis na ang pagproseso sa pre-trial conference. Pero hanggang June 25 naman ang palugit ng impeachment court para rito. Habang ngayong araw naman ang pagsusumite ng komento ng prosecution at defense teams sa kanilang stipulation of exhibits.
To clarify, this comment seeks to expedite the process of the pre-trial conference. Ang punto po ng comment ay iwas delay, honor the process.
Samantala, pinasinungalingan ni Luistro ang usap-usapang nilamon umano ng defense team ang kanilang panig sa pagsisimula ng pre-trial conference.
That is not true. I charge it to fake news. I am conscious that I am representing the interests of the sovereign Filipino people. Hindi po ako papayag na lamunin ng buhay ang laban ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
Samantala, makikitang doble ang hiniling na petsa ng prosecution panel kumpara sa hiniling na trial dates ng defense team. Pero may dahilan nila ito.
Because of the number of witnesses that we've identified in our respective pre-trial briefs. But you will note that in their pre-trial brief, because they've adopted most of our own witnesses, they actually listed 97 witnesses, no? So it's also a question if how come they listed 97 witnesses but they only asked for 30 trial dates? Maybe this is an indication that there's really no intention to produce all of those witnesses. But of course, no, we don't want to preempt.
Ang impeachment court pa rin ang magtatakda ng trial dates pero paninindigan ng prosecution panel, tuloy ang impeachment trial proper sa July 6.
We are not struggling. We are very much prepared. But as I have said, it has been our position to have this pre-trial conference in an expeditious manner.
Aminado si Luistro na sa dami ng ebidensya at exhibits ng magkabilang panig, hindi kakayaning matapos ang paglilitis ng impeachment case ng Vice Presidente ng hanggang Setyembre lang. Kaya naman giit ng prosecution panel, nakahanda sila para sa impeachment trial proceedings. Sabi rin ni legal spokesperson ng House Prosecution Panel na si Attorney Tolosa, nais nila makapaglatag ng isang compelling case na may matibay at nag-uumapaw ng mga ebidensya. Paraan niya kahit 16 votes ang kinakailangan para sa conviction ni VP Sara Duterte hinggil sa kanyang impeachment trial proceedings at alinsunod na rin sa institusyon ay mas secure nila ito. Sheila Natividad, para sa Bayan.